What if I told you that the future of technology, of our digital world, lies not just in Silicon Valley, but in the heart of Asia, in countries like China and India? Data center investments are a crucial part of this digital revolution, and these two countries are at the forefront of it. The data center market in China and India is vibrant, growing, and filled with potential. Take GDS Holdings, for example. It's a leading developer and operator of high-performance data centers in China. With a strong focus on service and infrastructure, GDS Holdings has managed to carve out a niche for itself in the data center industry. Its commitment to delivering high-quality service has attracted some of the biggest names in the tech industry, proving that data center investments can be incredibly lucrative. Now, let's consider China Telecom. As one of the largest state-owned telecommunication companies in China, China Telecom has a vast network of data centers across the country. It's not just about the size, though. China Telecom's emphasis on innovation and technology has helped it stay ahead of the curve, attracting a multitude of investors and partners. Both GDS Holdings and China Telecom are prime examples of the potential that data center investments hold. They have managed to thrive in a competitive market by focusing on service, infrastructure, and innovation. But it's not just about China. The data center market in India is also experiencing unprecedented growth. With an increasing number of businesses embracing digital transformation, the need for data centers is higher than ever. So, where does this leave us? The future of data center investments in China and India is bright, filled with potential. Companies like GDS Holdings and China Telecom are leading the way, proving that with the right approach, data center investments can be incredibly profitable. To sum up, the data center market in China and India is vibrant and growing. Companies like GDS Holdings and China Telecom are showcasing the potential of data center investments, with a strong focus on service, infrastructure, and innovation. The future is digital, and data centers are at the heart of this digital revolution. So, whether you're an entrepreneur looking to invest or just someone interested in the digital world, keep a close eye on the data center market in China and India. It's an exciting time for the industry, and you certainly don't want to miss out. Remember, the future of our digital world lies in the heart of Asia, and data centers, they're the beating heart of this new digital frontier.